For the next 30 days, I'm gonna finish and upload a song every single day. It's Sunday. Alright, shut up. We're gonna boom!
That sounded fucking horrible, but I don't give up.
I want my music to be so fire that when aliens come down, they're like, hey bruv, make more, that shit fire. Dude, I did the fucking structure in less than 20 minutes. Sick. So the whole song I think is there. Now I have to clean it up, fine tune it, give it the sauce, you know, put the fucking salt and pepper on it. So I'm layering 3 different sounds, and I think that's what's giving it a really full feeling. And that's a sub, you know, like some simple sine wave. And then we have the serum patch. And we have this sample. So when you layer all that together, so without the serum patch, and then without the sample, you can definitely feel it when you bump it or you have headphones on. Damn, I need to have more fucking areas here, dude. How do I make the separator? Yeah, I need a separator, bruh. No choice when I say that I'm gonna clean up. What the fuck? I started bleeding from my nose, dude. The song's too fire, bro. Oh my god. Alright, so far so good. I keep fucking adding more shit. I can never stop. No choice when I say that I'm gonna clean up. Okay, it might be a little bit too repetitive. I feel like it needs a little bit more variation, but I'm so fucking grateful that the vibe is there and the energy is there. And no choice when I say that I'm gonna clean up. That was tight. It's up on SoundCloud right now. Thank you guys for your support. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I see a lot of you guys in the comments telling me that it's inspiring you to do it as well. I'm gonna continue this shit. We're not gonna stop. Make sure you're liking your favorite tracks on SoundCloud, because the one with the most likes will get an official release and a remix contest. That's it for tonight's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.